Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Michael here, or the Digital Helper, and today I'm going to show you guys how I landed my first ever SMMA client for $1,000 a month with no money or experience. Guys, check out this video to the very end. It has so much value for all you beginners or people who want to enter the social media marketing world. So let's jump into this. No more time to waste. And if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit that like button down below and subscribe for more content like this in the near future. But basically, guys, we are using the FPG strategy, the Facebook paid group. And let me just go ahead and start off by showing you guys what you should do first. So basically, you should come to facebook.com and you're going to want to go ahead and search Facebook ads. Okay, very, very simple, I know, but a lot of people are not talking about this. And basically what you're going to want to do is click on the group section, and then you're going to go ahead and join one of these groups. So let's just click on this one, for example. This one's called Facebook Ads Agency Scaling Secrets, and it says quit working your butt off, whatever. Okay, anyways, let's just go ahead and check out this group. So basically what you're going to want to do is click on someone who seems like they own an agency and ask them a question. So this is what I did, guys. I went on this group and I looked at somebody I could find that looked like they knew what they were doing. So just real fast, let's go ahead and pick somebody. Okay, let's see. Let's just say this person was a good candidate for our message. So basically what we're going to want to do is go over here. You would basically message them through Messenger, but for privacy reasons, I'm not going to show you guys my Messenger. But basically what you would do is send them a message like this. So be like, hey, Jess, I saw you were interested in a real estate lead generation strategy, and I'm also interested in this. By the way, I've been studying marketing for a while, or let's be more specific. Let's say SMA for a while, and I would love any tips / recommendations you have on starting an agency. Okay, so there you go. That was just a really quick message of an example of what you would send someone on Facebook. And basically, guys, what I did is I sent this to a few, let's say 50 to 60 people. I know it sounds crazy, but basically probably 50 to 60% of people actually got back to me. And one person actually sent me a message back that said, hey, you should check out this paid Facebook group. And I was like, paid Facebook group? Like what? Like, why would I want to pay for a Facebook group? But basically, guys, it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. So they took me to this page right here, which is called AdLeaks, and I'm not advocating for this page at all. I have no referral link, no ties to this page at all. But basically, I joined this Facebook group called AdLeaks. It says it's the world's biggest community. I don't know if it is or not, but it is super, super good, and I found a lot of value out of this page. And basically, once you join the free trial, so they have like a 14-day free trial for this page, you can go ahead and go to Facebook and join their paid Facebook groups or Facebook group. And basically it's called AdLeaks. I can't even spell. Oh my goodness, AdLeaks. There you go. And I'm part of the AdLeaks Gold, which they have two tiers. They have the AdLeaks Gold and the AdLeaks Platinum. And AdLeaks Gold is only like $18 a month after you actually finish your free trial. And then AdLeaks Platinum is like $200. It's like crazy. Like those guys are like the professionals. These people in here are still pretty good. But basically, once I got to this paid Facebook group, I did the same strategy as I did for the free groups and started looking at like all this stuff. Started messaging people, and it was going pretty good, but nobody was really like interested in my services since I was just so new and I didn't have any experience. But basically I just kept asking questions, commenting on posts, and people started seeing my name more often, and they were like, who's this Michael guy? Like, why does he keep being so active on this page? He must really want to be in the social media marketing world. And I did. Like, I really wanted to join social media marketing. And so basically I would just keep commenting, posting. And then one day I literally went to the right post and I was like, hey guys, for someone who is interested in working for a let's just say SMMA agency, how would I go about doing this? Something like that, guys. Just say something to get your foot in the door. I basically posted this, and one guy was like, hey dude, I actually need somebody to work for me. If you would like to have your first foot in the door, I will give you some clients. and I will pay you $1,000 a month. And does this sound like a good deal to you? And I was like, wait, is this actually happening? Like, I've been trying to like start social media marketing for so long. Like, are you being serious? And like, obviously I didn't say that to the guy who like said that to me, but like, I couldn't believe like the moment was actually happening. And so, guys, like it's totally legit. I would show you guys my Facebook ads manager just to prove to you guys how much I'm actually spending. But I am actually right now working on 2 to 3 clients with SMMA, and I have been studying Facebook ads for a long time, learning and testing, and I've just really grown to the point that I never thought I could. And so, guys, this strategy 100% works. No one is talking about it, and it's just something that I wanted to share with you guys. It's a lot of value. I think you guys should all be trying it out and testing it because it works for me, and I know that it's going to help me in the future. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. No one is talking about this, guys, so like I said, definitely go try it out. If you guys want more content like this in the future and just like follow my SMMA journey on starting an agency, make sure you guys subscribe for all the upcoming videos in the future. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. My name is Michael, or the Digital Helper, and I will catch all you guys in my next video. Goodbye.